All right, guys, here we are in Lancaster. It is 1:40 in the afternoon, and despite the rain and everybody being soaking wet, including Matt even came out. Yeah, that's Matt's Tiki Hut. And Scotty, look who made another appearance. It's Scott DeWitt. And if you guys remember Tim from last year's final project. No, that's Patty. That's Patty. There's Tim. Tim's made another appearance today, helping us out. And there goes Bob wandering away. He's camera shy. As soon as the camera comes out, he leaves. But this is when did I frame this for you? April? Was it April?
I think it was actually May.
It was May?
It was around Memorial Day, I think.
Was it? It was before Memorial Day, right?
Yeah, before.
So this Tiki Hut actually wasn't even supposed to be done till this time of year, but we had a couple days we could get out here and get the hut built. And now that the palms are in, we got the palms done. And it rained on us a lot, but Scott refused to come off the roof, and we refused to stop giving him palms. And there's Patti Fahy. So we're going to call it a day. We got an hour and a half drive back. And Matt, you happy?
Tiki Kev, you rock. It's awesome. All right. If you're thinking about a tiki bar or a tiki hut, don't delay. Just get it today.
I'm the man.
That's our new logo.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's our new motto, our mantra.
What is it again?
I forget.
Don't delay, get one today.
Oh, don't delay, get one today. And you can see all our smiling faces.
That looks great.
Actually, don't delay, wait till next year, because I'm not getting to you until next year. But so what's our new motto? We came, we conquered, we drank, and we leave. All right, from Lancaster, PA, and the Tiki Kev crew this week, Tiki Kev out.